what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, nice to meet you. I'm Pramugdhad. And okay, so let's just talk about the video. Okay, so in today's video, what I did was I did some DIY clothing flips. Like I took some clothes, old clothes, and I DIY'd them, made them cute. Like what I think is cute, what I think is cute might not be what you think is cute. So I totally understand. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Also give me some ideas, like video ideas, what you want me to do in the comment section below. So yeah, let's just get started, shall we?
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. You mean bread?
Okay, so for this DIY, I have a formal shirt which I don't wear a lot anymore. So what I did is I laid it flat on the ground and made sure it was even, and then I marked the area from which I wanted to crop it. And then it was time to cut. As you can see, this is the mark. And now I was kind of scared because I didn't want to ruin a perfectly good shirt, but we'll see. Quick advice, if you're cutting like 2 or more layers together, don't do that. Do like one layer and then do the second one because it can get quite tricky and difficult. Okay, so now that we're done with the cropping, I want to go with the sleeves next. So I don't want it to be full sleeved, so I'll just make it short. So again, we start by evening the whole sleeve on the table and then marking it, because only then the cloth remains straight. And after I'm done with that, I just folded the shirt so that both the sleeves were on top of each other, and I could just follow along the first sleeve to cut the second sleeve. And here, as you can see, I'm folding the sleeves because you can even stitch it, but I like the folding thing more because it looks really trendy-ish kind of. Okay, so this is the finished product. If you want to, you can hem the edges for a much neater look, but I didn't want it to be that way. Okay, this next DIY is kind of similar to the one we did previously, but this involves a dress kind of shirt. And what I did was I just marked where I wanted to crop it, and I know I didn't do this with a ruler because there are already stitch lines which I followed, as you can see here. So I just marked that and I started cropping it. Okay, so now comes the part where it's a little different from the previous one. So what I did was, this had a belt which I decided to hem around the edge of the top. So you'll just see, now I do it, you'll understand it in a better way. So I use fabric glue. You can even stitch or use hot glue if you want, but I think fabric glue is the best. And if you're using fabric glue, please follow the instructions that are written for how many hours you need to let it dry and everything, because it is important and it will help in a better outcome of your result. So So this is how it turned out, and it looks so good. It looks legit. Like, you can't even tell me that this wasn't just bought from the store or something.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh yes, of course.
Okay, so this is probably the easiest DIY that I'm gonna do in this whole video. So what I did was I just took those jeans and cropped them because I'm too fat right now, apparently. So I just laid it evenly on the ground, and I took my scale and measured the amount that I wanted to crop. Then I started cropping and what I did with the second leg was that once I finished the first one, I just traced the lines of the first one into the second one, and then I cut it. I didn't do it together because it wouldn't be perfectly even or straight if I did it that way, because then a mistake. So what I did next was I just oh my god, why did I do that? Anyways, I just folded the edge of the jeans because I like that look. You can also like take tweezers and take out some threads for that, ripped jeans look, but anything that goes with you.
I'll never catch him while I'm this small.
So this DIY is all over Pinterest and I just had to do it. So what you do in this is basically you paint a pocket and it looks really good. So what I did was that I just put masking tape at the ends of the pocket so that the paint doesn't get anywhere and it has a defined border. And then I thought for some time about what design I wanted to do, and finally decided to look at Pinterest because Pinterest is amazing. So I looked for ideas there and finally found one. So I was drawing like a sunflower thing and it looked so much brighter on camera. I couldn't even see the actual white lines that I made, so this is nice. So I went ahead and painted it with acrylic colors because only then it'll stay. I don't know if you know some other paint that stays on cloth, use that. And yeah, I just started painting. Please don't hate on me because of my painting skills, because I know they're not the best, but we gotta do what we gotta do, So after the paint dries, you just take out the tape that you put, and this is the most satisfying part. I mean, I love this part. I probably did this whole DIY just to get this satisfaction.